We're a typical startup story commencing in our spare room at home before migrating to the garage, then to a small commercial unit at Darra. We took over the office and it wasn't long before we filled the warehouse as well. It soon became apparent as our team grew that one of our biggest pinch points to the future growth was our building. With a limited car park, no lunchroom, the flow was generally restrictive and the only quiet place to make a phone call was in our vehicles. In late 2020 we identified certain risks with long-term leases, multi-unit complexes, so we started looking at purchasing a freehold. But that soon came to a dead end, either too small or too large or too much spent renovating to meet our needs. We then considered building our own factory. We found a potential block. It's around this time we had a chat with Daniel, who happened to be on site. I'd known Daniel for some time. I was having a chat over the back of the ute as you do. We discussed our recent experience and our plans for the future. He offered to take a look at the property, so we took a run down to the block and he soon asked about the property adjacent to the one we'd been looking at. We hadn't considered this block as it was significantly larger and more costly. Daniel encouraged us to get a contract on the block and he would look at a design and construct package, as it might provide a better investment long term. We engaged Visage, and you might say the rest is history. The process from initial engagement to occupation was seamless. Communication was great. I was very impressed. They designed and built the building as though they were going to occupy the building themselves. The property consists of 2 adjoined symmetrical units with office blocks, and the tilt slab wall between the units has a knockout section to join the warehouses to cater for future growth. Sean from Visage handled the building design. He took our brief and ran with it, and we promptly had final design and a finished schedule. During the project we threw a couple of variations at Visage, requesting an extra toilet, more under slab power, and a custom concrete reception counter. These were handled with ease, and the approval process was very simple. At handover we couldn't help but notice the inclusions of hand towels, soap, candles and other small incidentals. They went above and beyond, no doubt. We're extremely happy with the finished result. It's a testament to what Visage stands for and what they seek to deliver. Designed right, built right and done right. By far our best investment is our people. They are the essential part of our business. Our second best investment is the building in which we work every day. Whether it be a place for our field techs to come back to in the heat of summer, the kitchen, the showroom, the warehouse, the office or the creative spaces the facility provides. We have so much opportunity for growth now and into the future. Over the years we've engaged a number of builders for residential and commercial projects. I would have to say that Visage provided us the best turnkey design and construct package and experience I've ever had. I would definitely build with them again. If you're a business owner or a property developer thinking about leasing or purchasing a commercial property, I recommend you get in touch with Visage. They just might provide you the direction and assistance you need to set you up for the future. I know this firsthand.